I won't be purchasing the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 because I don't want to support mediocrity. I say this as a Samsung fan genuinely interested in the Samsung Z Fold 4, but I was hoping there would have been a significant upgrade to bust out my wallet and spend my hard-earned money. The only difference between the Z Fold 3 and the Z Fold 4 is that the hinge is smaller, an upgraded processor, and the front screen is a tad wider. Samsung didn't solve the leading issues presented in the Z Fold 3, like poor battery life, the fact that you can't use the S Pen with the front display, and they don't have the best cameras that Samsung has to offer. Samsung didn't even mention anything about the battery life in their Unpacked event. They could have at least increased the fast charging from 25 watts to 45 watts. Going from the Z Fold 3 to the Z Fold 4 is not an iterative move, it's a lateral one. That is a slap to consumers who expected an upgrade. Samsung should have honestly sat this year out. Unfortunately, this isn't the first time I decided not to get a Samsung device because I felt played. The first time I passed on an upgrade was the Note 10. I wanted a Note with a headphone jack and the fingerprint sensor under the display, but that year was the first year Samsung removed the headphone jack from Note phones. Granted, Samsung did produce the Note 10 Lite, which had a headphone jack and a fingerprint sensor under the display, but it didn't come with DeX. It was frustrating, so I stayed with my Note 9. I did cave and purchase the Note 20 Ultra because my Note 9 couldn't hold a charge for a long time. However, I didn't get the S21 Ultra because the pen was not housed within the device. The S22 Ultra has the S Pen housed in the device, but my sights were set on the Z Fold line. Sadly, I had heard complaints about the Z Fold 3 and decided to wait for the Z Fold 4. Unfortunately, that wait was for nothing. If Samsung were really about the innovative life, they would have housed the S Pen in the fold. There, I said it. I'm not sure if anyone feels the way that I do. I feel sentimental because I remember when Samsung were hungry to be the leader in innovation, but now that they're at the top, at least in the USA, they seem to have become complacent. I thought I'd say it in case anyone else feels alone. I won't be rewarding Samsung for their lateral moves. What are your thoughts on the quote-unquote upgrade from the Z Fold 3 to the Z Fold 4? Am I being too harsh? Leave a comment down below.